So guys, US monthly visa bulletin for November 2025 has been published in the website. So the final action date for the November 2025 is still the same with October 2025. So for all the categories, for all the chargeabilities, for AB3 category, employment-based preference, the final action date, it's all the same. So from rest of the world, China, India, Mexico, at saka Philippines is still the same. The final action date, which is for the Philippines, rest of the world, and Mexico, still the same to April 1, 2023. While the mainland China and India is still the same also. So hindi yan nag-move forward, hindi rin nag-move backward yung mga final action date. So parang nangyayari is copy-paste lang. So yun na nga, which is na-predict natin to dun sa first vlog natin for prediction for the month of November 2025. Talagang medyo matamlay yung November kasi nga marami pang pending applicants dito sa EB3 third preference category. So kaya siguro hindi pa sila nag-move forward, medyo inaayos pa nila yung mga backlog na dapat nilang tapusin. So ganun talaga guys, wala tayong magagawa kundi maghintay na naman for the next month. Hopefully merong positive movement this coming December, since tong October tsaka November ay hindi siya nag-move. So ito yung update natin ngayon for AB3 third preference category. Walang movement for all categories dito sa November 2025 visa bulletin. Then sama na rin natin guys yung final action date for family sponsored preference. So ito yung month of November. So ito yung Philippines category from F1, F2A, F2B, F3 at saka F4. So ito yung mga final action date. Hopefully nag-move itong mga final action date dito sa family sponsored preference. So yun lang yung update natin ngayon guys. So yun nga ang sinasabi ko, wala tayong magagawa kundi maghintay na naman. And hopefully this coming December 2025, meron man lang tayong asahan na pamasko galing kay Santa. Kasi nga sana mag-move forward na ito. Gawa nga nung 2 months na rin yung hindi nag-move, start from October and November. And hopefully mag-move na ito, especially yung rest of the world. Talagang hindi pa na yan nag-move magmula nung September, October at saka ngayon nga ay November. So yung rest of the world talaga sila yung mainly na naghihintay dito, which is hindi pa sila nag-move, including pala yung Mexico. So maraming salamat guys sa inyong panonood dito sa aking channel. Abangan lang natin yung update. Magre-research tayo kung meron tayong masagap na balita or news, ating iba-vlog dito sa ating channel. So maraming salamat. Stay tuned for the next video. See you next time. Bye-bye.